namanje ke ngisabuza namanje enkantolo khona abaphathi la kwenzeka ukuthi kodwa igama lami beliphezulu la ikhona angizanga mina khona ukusa ngibizwa yini inkinga ngabizwa yiphi ikhothe ekhuluma ngomuntu ufakazi engambizi.
I still say that which court is, how does this court operate? Because I believe that all role players of this court believe that if there is a person that his name is being mentioned, they ought to be called to court. But I'm still asking, why is it that my name had been mentioned in this matter and had not been called to court, and why?
Ngoba kumanje angulando baphela uyakuthini ngoba kumanje izwe lonke lazi ukuthi kwakulindele ukuthi ngifakaze la ngizofakaza ngendlela okukhulunywa ngayo nazi nje statement ibhaliwe kwafanele uzofakaza.
The entire nation was waiting upon the court to call me and come and testify with regards to this matter because my name had been made mention of. Here are statements before this court, and thus I was supposed to be, that's the reason why I'm saying I was supposed to be called and come and testify.
Uma nge abantu nilandela umthetho iprocedure lekuthi fanele abe nangibiza nikhipha incwadi ecourt ningibiza hayi ukuthi nifafaza nje igama lami phela wonke lento igcweliswe lokho ngisho phesha kwelwandle ukuthi ngo-Absalom Zungu ofuneka owakhuluma wathi kodwa akazange ningibiza nithetha amacala lawo kamalanga akho.
How is it that which number am I on, or which number am I with regards to that? There's a procedure that needs to be followed, and the entire nation, even abroad, they know that my name has been mentioned as Absalom Zungu is the one, or my name has been mentioned is the one who came up with this information. How is it now that you're not calling me as a witness?
You see, Baba Zungu, the law says it's permissible for a police officer to say he received information from a certain person and that as a result of that information he took certain steps.
Manje ke mnumzana uZungu ke kuvumelekile ngokwenkambiso yomthetho yethu mangabe ke kwenzakala ukuthi iphoyisa lithola ke umniningwane kumuntu thizeni bese ke liyalandelela kulowo mbiko eliwutholile noma leyo mniningwane.
Do you understand that?
Ngiyazwakala baba. No.
That's precisely what Brigadier Gininda testified to. If you look at the record of 20 May 2025, page 16, line 10, he testified that we only got a statement that directed us to accused number 1 in November 2019. Prior to that, we had no knowledge or sight of him. Once we then had the statement of Absalom Zungu, making us to focus on him, cold case analysis was done. This Tembisa case was then picked up.
Manje ke kubufakazi lobuye buye bavela lapha kwenkantolo mhla ka-20 kuMay 2025 kubufakazi baka Brigadier Gininda lapha kwenkundla manje kuqoshiwe ke babhala phansi uyavela ukuthi ke uyachaza ku Brigadier Gininda ukuthi ke kwasasethole nje istatement esasisiholela kumangalelwa kokuqala ngonyaka kaNovember ku2019 ngaphambi kwaloko besingazi ukuthi ukuphi singamazi bese ke uyachubeka futhi Constable Zungu uthi ke bese sathi masiqeda ke ukuthola ke istatement saka Absalom Zungu wasenza ke ukuthi sibhekane naso noma ke siphothule sona kulo lona leli icala okuyicala lona leli laseThembisa sathi sike sabhekana nalo ubufakazi bakaZungu lo baka Brigadier Gininda lo abushilo lapha kwenkundla kwenza ke iphuzu lokuthi umuntu oqala ubathola istatement ukuze sibaholele ke kuye uaccused number 1 kwenzeka lokho ngomhla kaNovember ku-2019 kodwa-ke ngaphambi kwalo 2019 November bebangakazi bezwe ngani noma bebangamazi ukuthi ukuphi. Bese-ke inkulumo yakhe ichubekela phambili ileli phuzu umshushisa lenza ukuthi-ke uma sesiqedile ukuthola-ke istatement esibuya kuye-ke u-Absalom Zungu okwasenza-ke ukuthi-ke siqaphe noma-ke siphothule noma-ke senze-ke uphenyo mayelana nalelo qala lelo.
So that is how you get involved. Brigadier Gininda testified that on the basis of the information that you finished, he carried out further investigations.
Manje-ke iphuzu lami la ngumshushisi ngiveza ukuthi-ke igama lakho lingena-ke kanjalo-ke kuleli cala ukuthi ubrigadier Gininda uthi-ke ngathi mangiceda-ke ukuthola lo mniningwane kuyena-ke u-Absalom Zungu ngaqhubekela phambili-ke ngenza-ke uphenyo ngaphenyisisa.
Mayenza lokhu wayekade wayeqala nokuzwa ngami lokho mayebebhalidwezwa ngami.
If he's saying that he heard this from me, was it the first time that he heard of this information?
Yes. Now, can we then get back to Exhibit U in brackets 1? We'll be on paragraph 3.
You're not going to answer me?
Yes. No. We're just explaining what the law says.
Besichazela nje ukuthi inkambiso yomthetho ihamba kanjani njengoba bowubuzile wena ukuthi-ke ubrigadier Gininda ukuthi igama lakho lingena kanjani. Wase uyachaza-ke umshushisi ukuthi-ke umthetho uyalivumela iphoyisa ukuthi mangabe kukhona umniningwane eliwutholayo libese-ke liyaqhubeka lithatha lowo mniningwane loyo liyenza-ke uphenyo mayelana naloko kushiwoyo.
Yazi ukuthi sesingalento enziwayo leyo bade ngifuna ukuyisho.
Yebo baba.
Ubugebengu bodwa babenzwana. Ayikho into uGininda ayengayazi. Ayikho uSizwe Zungu into ayengayazi. Kwenza ubugebengu nje la.
Miss Interpreter, what was done here? Witness is pointing out to this statement before him, saying that these were all acts of criminality. It's not that Gininda did not know what was happening. It's not that Constable Zungu did not know what was happening. It was all criminality acts on my name.
Yes. Mangithi kwenziwa ngami la igama. Akangibeke nje kucaca. uGininda noConstable Zungu kubhalwe mina statement uhambile uConstable Zungu hase ufakazi efakazisa obani wathatha uGininda wamfakazisa kufanele ukuthi ngabe kufakaza mina la uyafika uConstable Zungu adetha akazi lutho ngalento ukuthi ngibani abulali meyi.
What I'm saying, this is all acts of criminality. It's because Brigadier Gininda says that he had this information from me, but now he takes Constable Zungu, brings him here to court to come and testify about this instead of calling me. And then he at first, Constable Zungu said that he knows nothing about this matter.
Well, that is not the evidence of Constable Zungu, but be that as it may. I'm sorry.
Beqonde khona lokho ukuthi why uConstable Zungu ayofakaza afika ngafakazi lokho futhi oqondene nami Gininda abhalela afika afakaze enye into athi nje ngangikhona ngabona ukuthi ngangikhona eduzane lapho vele khona inhlekelele ngangikhona.
What I'm saying is that Brigadier Gininda made Constable Zungu to come and testify, and when he comes to court now, he does not testify in the manner in which things happened. He comes here and says that he was also nearby where the incident took place.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Constable Zungu akabhalwe ndawo la.
There's not made mention of
lezi ndawo kakhulu.
in these documents.
Kodwa wahamba wayofakaza wathiwa kafakaza.
There's no Constable Zungu's name mentioned that much in those documents, but now he was called upon to come and testify.
Yes, he made his own affidavit, but coming back to the evidence of Brigadier Gininda, he testified that he acted on the information that you provided.
Manje ke sibuyela kuleli phuzu ke ukuthi uBrigadier Gininda yena ebufakazini bakhe uthi ke yena wathatha le wasebenzisa lo mniningwane wena wamtshela wona ke waqhubeka ke wenza uphenyo walandelela waphenya mayelana naloko akuzwe kuwe.
I'm sorry, analysis. He did an analysis that led them to accused number one, and accused number one was arrested on the 30th of May 2020. and later accused number 2, who was arrested on the 16th of June 2020. And as a result of the confessions that were made, particularly by accused number 2, he got to accused 3, 4, and 5.
Manje ke uBrigadier Gininde bufakazini bakho uyasho ukuthi ke ngithola la imininingwane ebuya kumnumzane Absalom Zungu ngayilandelela leyo mininingwane leyo kwase ke kuboshwa kumangalelo wokuqala ngomhla ka30 kuMay unyaka ka2020 ngomhla ka16 kuJune kunyaka ka2020 kwase kuboshwa ke umangalelo wesibili kwaba khona ke izitatimende zokugonyuluka izona zenza ukuthi ke bakwazi ukuthi bafinyelele ekuboshweni kwakhe umangalelo wesithathu wesine nowesihlanu.
So the proposition, Baba Zungu, that we are putting to in a nutshell is this, that Brigadier Gininda acted on the information that you provided, the accused were arrested, so your entire evidence is actually irrelevant.
Manje ke Baba Zungu esizama ukuchaza lana ke ngokufishana ukuthi ke uBrigadier Gininda wasebenzisa lokho wena ke owamtshela khona wasewenza ke uphenyo lwakhe baboshwa bonke abamangalelwa kodwa manje ke uthi wena uze uzonikezela ngobufakazi lapho angeke kusise ndawo lokho noma
The ship has already sailed, so to put it.
sesindlulile ke leso sikhathi.
Siphi sisedlule?
What time are we referring to here?
Yes, the horse is bolted.
Isikhathi baba lesi angithi
Angifuni mina ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuyikhuluma. Angiceke umuntu. Ugininda yena engayazi. uConcept Zungu yena engayazi. Uthi ugininda la statementeni angithi benisifunda. Uthi ugininda la kweza indodana le yamsizwe. Nami ngiyakuye. Yabo eyokwenza istatement. Asibuyeke manje lafika ilanga leqala. Ecaleni mase lifikile ilanga sethatha uConcept Zungu ugininda kade bethi abazilutho. Uthi ugininda uzwe ngami ekubeni esemthatha kanjani uConcept Zungu eyofakaza.
Let's start here. I'm not accusing anyone of anything. What I'm trying to say, I can speak for myself. What I'm trying to say is that Gininda in his own statement indicated that my son is the one that brought me to him to take down my statement. And then comes the trial day when the matter is being heard. Now he does no longer come and fetch me to come and testify. He takes my son.
Uyafika laphana uGininda. Uthatha lo uthakafakaze lo.
And then now he takes this one and say that this one must testify.
Usho kanjani kanti umthathile wamsakimi uthathe mina lo ndodana wangisaGininda.
How so then? Because Gininda said that my son brought me to him.
Yes.
Ukusho kanjani ukuthi babe ngakwazi waqala ukuzwa ngami.
How is it, and then how is it now that he says that they were hearing this information from me for the first time?
Uyafika la indodana makuthiwa akafakazi mzona kuqala icala. Uyafika uyafakaza uyakwazi konke lokho. Kade engakwazi kanjani uGininda besebenza ndawonye bengamaphoyisa.
And then now my son comes here before this court and tells this court that they were hearing he was hearing this for the first time. How is it so? Because he had already heard this information when Gininda called me. I beg that you do not play with me here in court.
uGininda kukwamangala yini la wamangala ukuthi usuyafakaza namhlanje kade wena ngithi kade uze nobaba wakho uzonginika istatement ukwakusho lokho akasamangalelanga ngani ukuthi wasukhuluma wrong kanje.
Was Gininda even surprised when my son gave his testimony here in court? Was he shocked to hear what my son was saying? And if he is my son that had brought me to him, why is it that when my son comes to court now and then he doesn't ask him, why don't you say things in the way that your father said?
Angiqedele Mr. Balonya kodwa. Ngithi nampa ke sebeboshwe sezofakaza nti wayekhona usefika uthi wazi lo nalo wayekhona lo nalo nalo kade thini Gininda thathe mnotha ngiyokwenza istatement akabazi.
Is it not that he said he does not know these people? They got arrested. But now when he comes to court, his evidence is that he knows so and so, he knows this one, knows that one.
Babazun, can we then get back to the events at Newcastle Police Station?